Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new weekly vlog. Okay, all right, today is Monday. It is the 2nd of September, which means it is the Labor Day holiday, so I'm off of work. Thank goodness. That means it's only going to be a 4-day work week for me, which is perfect, and I couldn't be more ecstatic about it. So now me and hubby are actually about to make our way out to go walking. It is a little chillier today. Right now it's about 74 degrees. So I have on a hoodie just because I'm, kind of chilly in the house. Yeah, we're gonna go walking. We want to enjoy this beautiful weather, this nice day. I'm gonna see how long I can keep this hoodie on. If I need to take it off, then I definitely will. But yeah, for right now, I'll go out there and just kind of gauge how it feels outside. But so far so good. Everything looks great this week. I don't have necessarily any plans for the weekend or anything else like that. We might just run down and check in on dad if necessary. But either way, I'll keep you guys updated. As of right now, everything's on the up and up for today, which is great. So I can kind of decompress a little bit and enjoy this day off of work, this paid day off of work. I hope you guys also have the day off of work, so you guys have a long weekend, a 3-day weekend, hopefully. But if not, get your time and a half or your double time, however they do it. But I'll check in with you guys a little later when it's time to break fast. But right now it's a little after 12 o'clock and we're gonna go for our walk. Hey guys, alrighty, we're back. It is still Monday the 2nd. Just finished almost 3.5 miles. We did really good. We just did maybe I think an hour 14 minutes for 3.5, so not too bad. And right now hubby's making his plate. I have mine in the microwave. I'm gonna go ahead and break my fast. It is about 10 minutes to 2. I will definitely be getting to bed early today because tomorrow is a brand new week. Tomorrow starts the work week, so 4 days. Thankfully, it's only a couple of days, but I just don't know what the week is going to throw at me. So I definitely want to make sure that I'm prepared. I'm just going to eat early and fast the rest of the day, which is fine. But definitely hungry after that 3.5 mile walk. I made a salad. That's the only thing different. Everything else I pretty much, my husband had pretty much made last week. But I went ahead and just made a salad, the croutons. I added in some little bacon bits. It has, what's this cheese? Parmesan cheese, Lord. But it's the same salad that I made last week, or that I made on Saturday, that nobody really touched. So I went ahead and just kind of doctored it up. These little croutons are from like the little salad packs that we've been picking up at the store, that are just, easy and quick. So that's what I just doctored my salad up with. I'm about to grab my, oh, thanks, son. Same thing right to me. Show people, give the people what they want. So basically it is just chicken legs, 2 barbecue grilled chicken legs, some grilled corn that we put on the grill, and then some of those little Bush's baked beans that I had made as well. You guys really can't see very good because I don't have it at an angle, but let's put it down like that. That way I'm not going to spill the food on the floor, but you can actually still see it at the same time. So yeah, so that's my plate. I have my salad there. For bubbles today, let's put it over here. I'm going to do a Diet Coke, and I'm just going to pour it into a little cutesy glass here with my little name on it. Yep, but that's my water cup for the week. So let me show you guys. Lavender. So this will be my water cup for the week. I had a fresh one. Made a fresh one. So yes, I am gonna continue to keep drinking and just stay hydrated. And if I want anything sweet, you guys already know the deal. It is watermelon. It is cantaloupe in there. So that's what I'll be having to, satisfy any sweet cravings. But I think that's pretty much it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for joining in. Let's get ready, locked in for the rest of the week. And I will see you all here tomorrow, same time, same place, right back here on the channel. Take care. Bye. Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today is Tuesday and it's the first official day of our work week, but it's the 3rd of September and I wanted to show you guys my bowl that I made. So we are reusing or kind of repurposing all the stuff that we made, from this past weekend. My husband did a lot of grilling, one of them being a T-bone steak. I had leftover salad that I definitely wanted to use. So salad is my base. I just had, I believe it was spinach and arugula and I think some iceberg lettuce, just something simple. I cut up some grape tomatoes and I also did some, I think it was English cucumber. So that's what I have as my salad base. I added in a little bit of Parmesan cheese. And then we had, my husband grilled corn on the cob on the grill, and he also did the T-bone steaks. I just went ahead and cut the steak off the bone and then also cut the corn off the cob. And so I drizzled it with some Caesar dressing that we had a little spare packet of. And that is what it looks like. This looks so delicious. I cannot wait to chow down, but I wanted to try to get creative with all the leftovers that we have. We can always have beans and everything else that we had, as side dishes, but I felt like this was the most creative I could, think of. Plus I wanted to really eat up that salad as well. So that is what I have there. For bubbles today, I have Diet Coke on the side, and then I made my, ooh, that's somebody's breaks, good grief. And then I made some coffee here. I did not do it iced, but I did add in some of my creamer, which is my favorite, my sugar-free French vanilla. And yeah, it's a little bit chillier today than it has been, so I've been really enjoying a nice warm cup of coffee. And of course, my water cup for the day. I've been doing really, really well on my water. Yeah, that dog doesn't like all those breaks squeaking. But I've been doing really, really good on the water. I refilled it today at work, so I'm really proud of myself. I did do a 30-minute walk today at work as well, so I'm really happy I did that. It's so necessary now every day just to take a walk or just to get moving. I'm gonna be so sad when it starts getting dark at 4 o'clock again, because then I want to hibernate because I just figure, it's nighttime, it's time to go to bed, But I really need to, move around a lot more. So right now it is 4:31. I'm gonna go ahead and break my fast here with my delicious bowl. I cannot wait to chow down, but I will see you all here tomorrow, same time, same place, right back here on the channel. You guys take care. Bye. Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. All right, today is Wednesday, it's hump day, September the 4th. And I went ahead, this is literally my fifth day eating the same food from Saturday. So I'm pat on the back. I'm really proud of myself for doing this. So you guys saw how I finessed the remainder of that salad and the steak that my husband made on Saturday. And I basically just kind of revamped it a little bit just to make it a little bit, more palatable. After a while, usually it's 3 days is my max for leftovers. And after that, I really don't want it anymore. So I didn't feel like I had to force myself this time, but I'm just very proud of myself. I'm like, oh, okay, I'm eating it. But I told my husband, this is it. I can't eat any more of this. But I have barbecue chicken. So I have 2 little legs there. I made that little Knorr chicken flavored, little fettuccinis, just something quick and easy. It only takes about 7 minutes after you actually pop it into the pot. So it's just chicken flavored fettuccine and a savory chicken flavored sauce. Just something quick and easy to kind of have on the side. I definitely don't want beans anymore. That's one thing I will say. I didn't necessarily want the beans. So that's what I have here on my first plate. And then on the second one, more of that corn. Now I seasoned the slop out of this corn. You see all those little seasonings and those nooks and crannies there? And it is so good. So I really do enjoy the corn. But this is it for the corn as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go out with a bang and have my 2 pieces and leave it as such. I have my iced coffee, you guys already know, and I did so good on my water today. I was just telling my husband also in the car, I refilled it, and I've been trying to drink as much water and stay hydrated in the morning before I have a coffee. And I was freezing, I was cold this morning, so I definitely wanted something warm. Because it was about maybe 60 degrees when we first get up. And then I was also, I was just so tired. So I was cold and tired, like 2 combinations that do not go very well with OMAD. And so I want a coffee in the morning. I want a nice hot, it doesn't even have to have cream or anything. I just want my black coffee. That's usually how I take it. But I've been forcing myself, like, no, you need to at least drink to here before you can start with a morning coffee. You need to rehydrate yourself because you just spent hours asleep with nothing. So you need to rehydrate first, and then you can go ahead and have your coffee to wake up a little bit more. Even though I can literally drink coffee and go right to sleep. So neither here nor there. I think it's just a crutch, honestly. Anyway, I think that's pretty much it. I'm about to chow down and, have my food. But right now it is 4:55, so 5 minutes to 5 basically. And I have on Golden Girls today. So that's what I'm rewatching for the millionth time. But that's what I like, and it's a comfort show, and it's making me, making me feel good and making me happy. So I think that is pretty much about it, guys. I don't think I have anything else like really set to come up this week. I don't have any plans necessarily. We may or may not go to see my dad this weekend. More than likely it's a May because we just got to figure some things out together. So we shall see. But anyway, I hope you guys are having a great week. It's the middle of the week. Only 2 more wake ups. You guys know how it goes. 2 more wake ups before Saturday. But I will see you all here tomorrow. Same time, same place, right back here on the channel. Take care. Here, and we got fajitas. Hey guys, happy Sunday. All right, finally, we're at the end of the week. It is Sunday. Right now, it's about 4:27. It is the 8th of September. My hubby made lots of delicious food for the week. I'm so excited. We finally broke down yesterday. We went to the grocery store and went ahead and just grabbed, some items, that we can make for dinner for the week. So that way we can prepare. This week has been a little rough because we had well, it wasn't rough, but it was a lot of stuff going on. So Thursday, was it Thursday? Yes, Thursday. We ate all the food from last week until Wednesday. Thursday, we ended up going to Chili's. It was really, really good. We just got like a little triple dipper each, which was just enough for the both of us. So that was perfect. And then Friday, what did we end up having Friday? And then Friday, we ended up going to my dad's house to kind of help facilitate with him and just make sure everything was going okay. We were a little worried about him. So we ended up going, my hubby grabbed pizza and then I got some sushi. So it was right down the street from dad's house. So it wasn't too bad. But yeah, we went ahead and had that on Friday. We did not get home till almost midnight on Friday or early Saturday morning. So yeah, we needed some food for sure. And then yesterday, we actually just ended up going out for date night, which was really nice. We went to one of our favorite places, Mezcal. And I ended up getting a quesadilla. We did that delicious tableside guac. Oh my goodness. And then the chips and the dip and the chips and salsa. Oh my goodness. Like, it was so good. I just had a water with lemon. So good, let me tell you. But yeah, so we ended up having that yesterday. So today it was like, okay, let's go ahead and prep and make sure we have enough stuff for our dinner. So let me go ahead and show you guys. Alrighty, so starting off with the main event. It's a meatloaf. And this is ground turkey and ground beef mixed together. But hubby went ahead and yes, looks so good, so juicy. So I'll definitely be having some of that. And then for our second meat or second, protein, he also used some of that same ground turkey and ground beef to make taco meat. So we can have tacos, quesadillas, whatever, throughout the week as well. Just in case we get tired of meatloaf, we can definitely have, tacos and burritos and stuff like that for the week as well. On this side, I did go ahead yesterday and I went to the store. So I got fresh green beans. Oh my God, they look so good. And if you're looking at the little sprinkles on there, I believe that's a little bit of garlic. So fresh, like grated garlic or whatever the case is. That looks delicious. And then he did do a small batch of, oh Lord, I should have already had this open, of mashed potatoes. So that's what we have here as well. Some mashed potatoes. And that's a perfect size. We don't need anything more than that. So that's great. But yeah, that is what we have for today. I'm super excited and hungry and ready to chow down. I still have some leftover watermelon in the fridge and also some of that leftover cantaloupe. So we'll definitely be utilizing that the first couple days this week and making sure that we eat that up before it goes bad. But other than that, I think that's it. So right now it's about 4:31 in the afternoon. I'm going to go ahead and make me a plate. I already got my plate, my fork and everything ready. And I'm about to chow down. And you guys saw me make my coffee. I got a new little mug. So this is the new and improved Muggy 2.0. Yes, I got my little mug. I made me some coffee. I added in my little sugar-free French vanilla creamer. And then I also added in a little bit of collagen peptides too. I did like a scoop of collagen peptides. So that'll definitely help keep my joints lubricated and working well and all that good stuff. Since I do a lot of walking, I've upped my, activity level since I, wasn't really active before. And then for bubbles, I have a Dr. Pepper Cherry Zero Sugar. So that's what I'll have. Oh yeah, and I forgot my nectarines. So I also have some nectarines here that I need to go ahead and eat up as well. So yeah, so that's pretty much about it. And I will see you all tomorrow for the start of a brand new weekly vlog. Yay! Brand new weekly vlog. And I will see you all tomorrow, same time, same place, right back here on the channel. You guys take care. Bye.